Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at what GBP USD will be playing out on Monday by the time the market opens. First, we can all know that the first trend was actually an uptrend move, no doubt. We all know that during this period there was a pullback, which is more visible on the weekly time frame, though it is as a pullback on the weekly time frame. The price eventually came up, then rejected from this level, serving like a double top, right? And we all know what happened next. This drop, right? One happened on Thursday, the other one happened on Friday, due to interest rates hike and this GBP interest rate was increased on Thursday, right? That drop was made to actually take out a lot of traders, right? When we take a look at Friday, NFP came out well, which makes our DXY to fly up. So GBP actually dropped. So to be able to predict this price for the next day, which is for on Monday, January 6th, we would have to go to the 4 hour time frame, and what to be expecting next is actually a pullback. So maybe we can have, maybe get like, let's say 50, 40 to 50 pips drop more, just a little bit of a drop we'll be expecting on GBP USD before that price will actually push up. So I will be watching out for this level for price to actually come back to hit this level of 1.21703. I repeat again, 1.21703. So once this GBP can drop about 30, 30 to 40 pips, then we can now expect this bullish move, which will be giving us about almost 100 pips. I mean, do not miss that trade. And by the way, I've also put out some high probability trade on my Patreon channel. You can actually check it, right? What I tend to do is put out high probability trade. So I put out 3 trade we will be watching out for on Monday, right? So I'm going to make one of those trade public, so you can go to my channel, you can watch it, and one of those trades is AUD card. You can actually watch it. So if in case you are now interested in getting more of my analysis, all you just have to do is become my Patreon subscriber. Like I said, become my Patreon subscriber with just $20. So if at the end of the month you actually don't get the value that I promise you, it is very simple. You can actually go ahead and cancel your subscription. So just give it a try. Check the link below. I'll put the my Patreon link. So give it a try and check it out, by the way.